Real quick video today, guys. The VIX did come back down to fill this massive gap. Now, it does have a small gap opening up right here. Maybe we'll see a rejection at the $20 level. We're just going to have to wait to see how it plays out. But you do have this trading range. I want to see if it is going to stay within this range or go up to fill this gap here. Zooming in, you can see that it barely even touched the bottom of that gap, but it's still pretty significant. So it may pull back, just fill that, and then run back up. Plus, you have the 20 below the 50, below the 200. So I do expect it to make a move to the upside today. And if that happens, the rest of the market will push down. Even though Tesla does have the 20 below the 50 below the 200 on the 20-day 1-hour chart, you can see this red line right here just above the $1,020 level, which does seem to be a problem for it to break above. There is a gap right here that will need to get filled, so it might push back down. And if it does, I do see it going all the way back down to fill that massive gap below. The Nasdaq has been having some trouble breaking above this 16,350 level, plus it has the 20 above the 50 above the 200, which means that it could be pulling back from here. So I would see that it comes down to 16,250. You have this massive gap below at 16,000. Now let's zoom in. In my own opinion, I do see this thing pulling back down to fill this gap at 15,900. Maybe go a little bit lower, you never know. But I do see that area definitely getting filled. And if that's going to be the case, then yes, the rest of the tech sector is going to follow. AMC has been trading in this range, which is great. It did bounce off the bottom to retest it as a level of support. Now we have to see if it does break above this red line here to say it's going to keep going forward. You do have the 20 below the 50, below the 200, which of course is my favorite. And if we zoom out, you can see that we have a nice W reversal pattern forming. Will it happen? Will it push back up? It's possible. I could see 30 being the next real level of resistance. So that is what I'm going to look for as long as it stays above this red line here. Okay, so watch for that, guys. Obviously, AMC does not have to trade the same with the rest of the market because it does this trade based off of, retail investors. Oh, losing my voice there. All right, trade safe, guys. Stay green, and I'll see you in the next one.